I now call on former Deputy Secretary General of ASEAN and former Chair of National Institute for Policy Studies, Dr. Wilfredo Villacorta, to give the introduction.
Senator Drilon, our LP Chair, and Senator Rojas, our Liberal Party President, former President and Co-Chair Butchelbad, former LP President Senator Tanyada, Secretary Villa, Ambassador Alarilla, Congressman Tanyada, and other members of Congress from the Liberal Party, and members of the Executive Committee of the Liberal Party, friends and colleagues. It is my honor and pleasure to introduce our guest of honor, His Excellency Dr. Surin Pitsuwan, the Secretary General of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations and the founding chairman of the Council of Asian Liberals and Democrats. After completing his MA and PhD at Harvard University in the field of political science and Middle Eastern studies, Dr. Surin began a distinguished career as a journalist, professor, statesman, and diplomat. He was a columnist for The Nation and the Bangkok Post, the two leading English daily newspapers in Bangkok. He taught at Thammasat University and also at the American University, Washington, D.C. That was where we met for the first time during this seminar sponsored by Georgetown University on religion and politics. In 1986, he ran for a parliamentary seat from Nakorn Sri Thammarat, his hometown. Since then, he was re-elected to Parliament 8 times. As an MP, he was appointed Secretary to the Speaker of the House of Representatives and Secretary to the Deputy Minister of Interior. He was Deputy Minister for Foreign Affairs and Minister of Foreign Affairs. He served as Chair of the ASEAN Ministerial Meeting and Chair of the ASEAN Regional Forum from 1999 to 2000. Dr. Surin has significantly contributed to peacemaking in the region. In September 1999, while he was the ASEAN Chair, he mobilized the Southeast Asian governments to help restore peace and order in East Timor. From 2002 to 2004, Dr. Surin was a member of the Wise Men Group, that advised the peace negotiations between the Achenese independence movement and the government of Indonesia. He also served on the National Reconciliation Commission, charged with bringing peace and security back to Thailand's deep south. Dr. Surin was the deputy leader of the Democratic Party of Thailand. He was the founding chair of the Council of Asian Liberals and Democrats, or CALD, from 1993 to 1995. He laid the foundation for making CALD a force in the region as a principal advocate of democracy in Asia. In 2007, Dr. Surin was nominated by the Royal Thai government and endorsed by ASEAN leaders to be the ASEAN Secretary General for the period 2008 to 2012. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome His Excellency Surin Pitsuwan, Secretary General of ASEAN, an outstanding liberal and the visionary leader of the ASEAN region.
much, Dr. Wilfredo Villacorta, former Deputy Secretary General of ASEAN. Your Excellency, Senator Manuel Mar Rojas, Honorable Franklin Drilon, the typhoon, Honorable Florencio Buch Abad, Governor Raul Dasa, former Chair of CAULD, former Senator Vigberto Papi Tanada, Ambassador Marilyn Alagrila, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. When you are asked to speak before dinner, I think it is prudent for me to ask how hungry I am. If you are hungry, I'll speak long. If you're not too hungry, I'll make it brief. But it is certainly a privilege to be back among old friends of CAULD here in the Philippines. And to see many of you are still very much engaged, very much involved in the promotion of liberalism, of democratic ideals, of social justice, and of the expansion of human liberty. I was asked to serve as the Secretary General of ASEAN, the first under the Charter, because when the leaders endorsed the Charter on the 20th of November last year, at the same time they endorsed myself as the next Secretary General of this organization. This organization has been in existence for 40 years, now 41 by August. We have given birth to many other architectures and organizations in the region: Southeast Asia, East Asia, Asia Pacific.